Guys, it's your vlogger Macy, and today we're going to the Korean restaurant.
Oh, it's Vietnamese.
Oh, and also it's right over there. See?
Yeah, yeah. It's a Vietnamese.
Yeah.
Vietnamese restaurant.
It's so nice.
How about on the top one? Yeah. It's like a bar in there. Yeah, come on, sit down.
It's over there.
No, it's too long for us.
Ano mo nila cellphone mo lock mo?
There's a crispy spring roll.
Yeah, I want.
Ari may pang kids meal oh. Small chicken noodle soup.
Kids meal.
Ari.
The green one, you choose.
Small chicken.
Chicken wings and
I
rice.
think I want.
Small chicken
I think I want small chicken noodle soup.
Chicken noodles.
Eh, mag-soup ka tapos din pagkaulo mo.
I'm gonna eat it. Actually, I really want to eat it. Yes, sir.
What do you want?
Crispy spring rolls and also
Chicken noodle.
small chicken noodle soup.
Oh, we want the bon chamen. Bon chamen. Filipina? Ah, kabayan. And for the kids, Pogano. And can you give us this? Can you give us this Ban Pihong Tom?
Di ba si ano na yun na
Yeah, fish cracker yan. And the best seller.
Po, sir?
Hindi masyado hindi na mahal.
Okay. How to read it? Popotapcom.
Yung parang fresh na yun. Lumpia.
No, crispy. This is crispy. I will repeat our order, okay? Our order is Pang Kyung Tom, Bong Chang Nim, Pogo Ho, and Pogo Tam Jam. Sawarika. Oh,
Kuya Jinjan.
thank you.
Kuya Jinjin.
Jinjan?
Kuya Janjan. And also, I really like it.
Do you want to take a tour?
Sure.
Restaurant? No, wait. Leave it to mommy first. Actually, you see the banana? You want to climb there in banana? Is this real? Oh, I thought it is real. No, it's not real. Here, look at the painting. Here, look at the paintings. Wow. Look at the painting. Look at the wall. Look at the wall.
Chicken wings.
She will already have a bowl.
Crispy
Strawberry. Mango naman.
Thailand. That is in Thailand.
Spring.
Ano niya house?
This is Vietnamese. The famous is the noodles.
O, dali.
What?
I like this annoying.
Do you like a crispy spring roll? I'm glad.
Look at the wall. Come on. So.
Bibo na ang tingnan niya.
Now. There you go.
Where are
I got something in my body.
This one.
I need to know. No.
What is that? You look like Manong Suko.
Nanosoko, what's your order?
Hey, ma'am. Why you have pencil and paper?
I will be the waitress.
Can you take our order?
Sure.
Okay.
But first I need to stand up.
Okay. Just pretend, okay?
I'll write all the things.
Stand up.
Wait. Okay, what would you order?
I want to order pop nong konoy, pok bong gai do, sibak nai thong khai, and bangan ding roy. Okay, that's all, ma.
Okay.
You go there's a kitchen.
This is a wash one. Yes, guys. What is this?
This is the buncheonim.
What is this one?
This is a crispy cracker.
Here, oh, langka.
Mmm. Perfect.
Ano yun?
Listen to the
No.
sound of the cracker.
Wala sa bawal.
Imuna pa na iya daw salad type pala. Pero may carb ko na yun because it's a rice sticks, rice noodle. Thank you. This is for you. Your chicken noodle soup.
Kaya pula init.
Listen to the sound. Use chopstick, mami.
Amo na ito spring roll.
Guys, listen to the sound of the cracker. Mm. You love the cracker? This is a prawn cracker.
Sabi ko may sabaw ta.
Come on,
Meron ka?
come on.
Lumpia.
Ah. Wow.
Abo yakon?
That's what you ordered, right? Spring roll?
Amo na yung spring.
Yes, it is a set like salad with nuts, vermicelli, and vegetables.
I'm gonna do this here.
Yeah, it's nice.
Do some people dip it here?
Wow. This is so nice. This one have some herb. It's so good.
Did you listen to the sound like this?
I love it.
Me too.
Mm.
I love it. This is crispy. This is crispy and spicy.
Dati bitaw mo na lemon.
Yeah, I don't like.
Ha? Hindi na bitaw lemon.
If you want,
Ari po.
that's not a problem. Oh my god, I don't know how to use chopstick. I will use my hand for now.
Mommy, get Daddy whatever he wants because he wants his own life. Because don't say anything like something. Okay, right, Daddy?
Right.
I want some crispy ones. Oh, what is this?
Oo nga.
So hot.
How was it? Mm. There's an herb that is too strong.
Ano?
I don't know what's that herb.
This is spaghetti.
Cilantro?
This is spaghetti spring rolls. I would like it.
I think it's cilantro. No?
Wala po sa fruit na yun.
Mm.
Fruit.
Mm. Too
What
big.
kind of flavor is this, Mommy?
Vinegar.
I'm gonna try it.
You want this? I will eat this. This is good for your health.
Plus, kagaya ito tunan ko.
Why?
Vermicelli, manigaling ano.
This is so nice.
Really?
What is this, mommy? It's like
Onion.
atsara onion.
What is onion to coriander?
Really?
I'm dipping it over here now.
This one is so nice. Put some chili on it. We'll, yeah, chili oil on it. Drop of chili oil like that. Then we will try it. Mm.
I have to finish this. Oh my god, it's dropping.
Mm.
Guys, look at this.
Mm.
Guys, look at this. So yummy.
You need to eat your soup. I really love the flavor in this one. It's so intense. No?
I take a big bite of the soup.
Pag nag-mix sila kakanamit, tapos ito gaganahan kapag
I really like the soup. Actually, soup is kind of spicy a little bit.
But it's not spicy. You need to eat it.
Now I'm going to eat the soup.
Try the noodles
This
afterwards.
is hair soup. Oh my goodness, can I work? come on.
Na. Okay, take it off.
How is it? Mark wins?
This is so good.
Actually, mommy, this one is so nice. If you were going to put some pickle in it, on it, I mean,
Butang.
then have a
Ay
bite.
mo ka ni pala dito.
Yeah. Mmm. Mmm. The flavor is so nice. Mmm. Mmm.
Everybody, I eat the chicken.
Mmm. Can you try the chicken? This is a fresh noodles. The texture is so nice. Mm.
So good. I want to try the pasta today. I want to try the noodles. Round it. Pick it up. It just feels like
I really can't resist.
Ano pa ito may onion na...
I'm just ready my chin now.
Laro lang. Luto ba na siguro?
Yeah.
Ang baraon.
This is so good.
Jadi mga amo ni balaohin mo ka nito.
Daddy, I drink the soup.
Mm.
I drink the soup. So good. So
That
yummy.
is a healthy one.
I really like this noodles. Why they're white, Daddy? Why they're white?
It's rice noodles.
Rice noodles?
I don't know. You did not put an egg. That's why it's white.
It's not Kid Danger and Captain Matt is walking.
Again, show to mommy. Again.
Everyone. Look at this, guys. Take rice noodles. And I do a lot like that. Oh my god, I took a big one. Guys, now my food is already done. And also don't forget to come here and also eat here in World Trade Center.
Hanoi restaurant.
In Hanoi Restaurant.
Hanoi.
Hanoi Restaurant.